That's very easy to do. Dalton Wilson. I am the Integrated Solutions Consultant, which means I do integrated solutions of precision farming for mainly our ag customers, from installs to quoting, troubleshooting, anything that has to do with precision ag and integrated solutions. Integrated solutions is a very broad area. It's anything from machine connectivity to precision farming, GPS, displays. It all kind of falls under integrated solutions. So depending on the customer's level of technology on their machine, sometimes it's full installs of a new receiver and display, or rate controllers on a planter for more controlled application of nitrogen or fertilizer or anything. So it really boils down to efficiency. It's integrated solutions can help. You're looking at GPS and auto track guidance of the machine. You look at how much overlap you have when you're doing tillage or planting or any application. You reduce that overlap down to as small of a gap as you can across hundreds of acres. A little bit of overlap adds up, which is more time, more fuel, more product. All those things can kind of build on top of each other that makes them more efficient. So JD Link is just the communication between the machine and John Deere's Operations Center. So the machine hours, fuel level, or alerts, the diagnostic trouble codes from the machine when they come up there, it is all sent from JD Link over the cell towers into Operations Center. So all that is accessed on their computer or on the mobile phone app, but it's just a communication between the equipment and the Ops Center. They have an organization, they have access to that or that information from their tractor. So whether it's they have a hired guy that's running a machine and they get a service alert, we can see that and the farmer can see that, hey, there's something going on. And those are just the alert side of it. Also with tracking, planting, and harvest, all that data is also coming through. So if you're running your combine, all your yield data is coming straight through over the air to Operations Center to analyze your yield data to help better plan for next year and see how you did and what all happened throughout the year. You can analyze all that data in Operations Center right from the machine over the air. So JD Link, after you have the hardware, if it's installed in your machine, we just have to link up the hardware of the JD Link modem to that tractor, and then it is connected. Once it's connected, that connection stays, and then the data will go from Operations Center to your machine or your machine to Operations Center, and it stays connected for the life of that machine basically. After the hardware is installed, which will vary depending on a lot of tractors out there, some of our customers, they might have an old modem in their machine that came when they bought the tractor. They might just have to update it. Some we might have to do a full install, so the hardware side will vary a little bit just depending on situation, but once it's installed, the hardware is paid for. The actual service of the JD Link's free. So if you call any of your stores, any of our 5 locations, and dial 4 for the precision farming option, it comes to, there's 3 people on that line. One of us will get your phone call and get any answer, any questions you have answered.